Hello everyone, so today is the beginning of our 7th week, I believe. It's just the beginning of a new week. So last week I told you guys that I stained the front door to a espresso color, so I let it dry over the weekend and I'm gonna do one more coat. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna do one more coat to actually get it a little bit darker, and then I'll install the new knob. And then this week's plan is just to finish all the flooring. So Art is demoing the kitchen right now. That was like the worst of all of the floors. And we started to pull up the flooring and it just turned into a big mess. So we are going to actually pull up all of the flooring and put new plywood down and then install the new laminate floors or vinyl floors. So that has basically pushed us off schedule for a few days, but I think it's just going to be safer this way. So I will give you a quick glimpse at that, and then I won't do much talking this week. I just want to show you guys different updates. I'll check in with you, and then you'll see the finished product. So keep on watching. All right, so quick update on what we did today. So we started to pull up the kitchen flooring and we noticed that there was a lot of water damage in the kitchen. So we started to pull up more flooring, and then I made the decision to pull up all the flooring. So we have pulled up all flooring in the kitchen. It is now bare bone, just the subflooring now. So I sprayed it down with bleach just to try and kill any mold that could have been present on this floor. But it was a very long, tough day. Hi everyone, so I wanted to do a quick check-in with you guys and show you what we did today. So I did the second coat on the door with the espresso stain, so I will show you that. And then Art, he installed all of the plywood in the kitchen and in the little hallway entryway. So I will also show you that, but now I believe it is all ready to go for installing the flooring, the nice flooring that we're gonna pick up in the morning. But I will show you what it looks like. I am so happy that we installed all new plywood. I just feel a lot better now knowing that we're not walking on wood that has disintegrated over the years because of water damage. So this is the door with the second coat of espresso stain. And then in the kitchen, you can see Art laid down all of the new plywood. So the floor is pretty much brand new. And he secured all of the planks, all of the plywood to So we're picking up the flooring today. 44 boxes because we're laying it today. So excited. So, as you can see, these doors are in horrible shape. It looks like whoever was trying to paint these doors prior left tape on on the front and the back. No, just the outside portion of it. So they left the painter's tape on the glass part here. And what I'm gonna do is I want to make these into a really nice door. So I am going to remove the French doors from the hinges. I don't want them to open inside of the room because I feel like that takes away the square footage. I want it to open out into like the patio area. So I'm going to take the doors off the hinge and then flip them so they open out. And then I'm also going to have the paint taken off, scraped off of the glass because it's just dried up. The wood is in pretty bad shape. The paint is just falling off of it. So I'm gonna have to sand the door down again as much as I can, get it as smooth as I can, and then try and repaint it, get the glass as clean as possible. And then I'm going to probably put some new knobs on it, new hinges, paint it the same color as the inside of the house, just in an exterior paint, and probably do like a semi-gloss or a gloss. But I wanted to show you the process of doing this. Okay, hello everyone. So I just wanted to do a quick update. It is the end of our day today. So a lot of our day was spent doing a lot of prep on the flooring. We're still trying to get ready to install the flooring, but I did pick up half the order here. So we will be ready to go and lay it tomorrow. So a lot of today was really just floor prep, making sure that everything was securely intact. We also installed the overhead oven hood here. You can see there, that was installed, and up there. So we just have to finish installing that. And then underneath the sink, put a new board there. And we're going to install a garbage disposal as well. But we patched up a hole that was also back there, as well as fix, you know, pieces in the flooring that had just missing planks of wood. Where the fireplace was, we also patched this up as well. So again, today was just a lot of prep work, trying to get it ready for flooring. So tomorrow we should be able to start installing the flooring, but it is all coming together. I think once the flooring is in, you will really see a lot of transformation. That's gonna be like, I think the biggest, paint and flooring is gonna be like the biggest transformation, but hopefully tomorrow we can start doing that. I think it's gonna take a few days, so it's gonna run until Monday and Tuesday next week. So, but I'm still excited and I cannot wait to show you what it looks like. Hi everyone, so I wanted to give you an update on today's progress. Right now, we have laid plastic all over the flooring. So the reason why we did this is because we wanted to keep any type of odor or anything underneath the house from coming up through the subfloor into the house. So that's why we laid plastic. So as you guys can see, there's plastic all over the flooring in the kitchen and into the hallway. And then down the hallway leading into the living room. And then right here we have some planks. So we're gonna try and lay some down, get the pattern going, get the color scheme going. We opened a few boxes to kind of see how many colors are inside. It doesn't really look like you can see the contrast, but you can. Like here are the lighter pieces and then it goes a little bit darker there. But nonetheless, it's a grayish taupe color with some white intermingled in there. So we're gonna start laying some flooring today, guys, and you're gonna see this transformation. Okay, so I have spent probably the last 2 hours trying to come up with a color scheme to lay on the floor. It's kind of difficult. I didn't think it was gonna be this hard, but each box has a different pattern and different colors. So it's becoming a bit difficult. Like I want it to kind of have like a good cohesive color scheme, but it's so hard. Oh my God, I didn't think it was gonna be this hard. But I will show you what I've gotten so far. I hope this is enough to get art started on laying the floor so it all flows and locks in with each other. We have to try and make sure that everything flows properly, locks in, and can be cut properly as well, because this is a weird area. It's like the kitchen, the hallway, the dining room, and the living room kind of do like this circle thing, so we have to make sure it all flows together, because I don't want to put it in and then have to take it out. So I will show you what I've laid down so far so you can kind of get an idea, and then tomorrow morning we're going to try and start interlocking everything and hopefully start cutting and we won't have to take it all up. So keep on watching. So here you can see I started to lay the planks, trying to keep the same type of color scheme going. And the reason why I'm trying to keep this color scheme is so I don't have all gray or all white or all taupe colors in each room or in one room or the last room. So this is the design that I've come up with so far. Okay everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick update for you guys. Today is Friday and it's the end of our week. So this week was supposed to be just all floor prep. I am exhausted. I didn't know laying floor was this hard, but I think we got it and it's coming together. It's just coming together. So I'll give you a quick peek of what it's looking like right now, but next week we're just gonna have to finish installing it in all the rooms. So this is the dining room right here. And they're not all laid down yet, but this is the kitchen. And then living room, then the hallway. And this is what gave us the most problems, is that we wanted to make sure that they locked from both entryways, down in the entryway by the bathroom, in front of the bathroom and the bedrooms, and then the one right here in front of the dining room. But it all matched up and we didn't have to cut any custom pieces, so smooth sailing from here. And then next week we'll just finish installing it. But this is what it looks like so far. It's all coming together.